How to add contact photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on any of your contact. Here, you can view this person's contact information such as their name, photo, number, and more. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Photo below their profile photo. And then, tap on Photos. You can choose a photo from your camera roll to set it as their profile photo on your phone. Select the photo you want from here and then tap on Done at the top. After previewing, tap on Continue below. And then, tap on Continue below. You have now successfully set this photo as their contact photo on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily add contact photo on iPhone.